We scroll through cities instead of strolling through them. The glow of our screens replaces the warmth of the sun. Have we become tourists of technology instead of travelers of the world? Lost in the maze of apps, we miss the symphony of a bustling market, the subtle beauty of a hidden alleyway. Digital fatigue grips us, stealing moments of genuine connection, leaving us disconnected from the very experiences we seek. Our devices, meant to enhance, have become barriers. We're tethered, not transported. Is this the way we truly want to experience the world? But what if the way forward isn't another screen, but something simpler, something designed to bring you back to what matters? Introducing Natura Umana's HumanPods.
Hey Nature, I've just arrived in Milan. How do I get to the hotel?
Hi Leo, you can take Metro Line 4 to San Babila.
Great, thanks. I'll be meeting Adam nearby for lunch. Any recommendations?
There are plenty of good spots around San Babila. Osteria Rossi is a great choice. Would you like me to book a table?
Yeah, 2 p.m. works perfectly.
A revolution in human-machine interaction, designed to bring you back to your human nature.
We believe that the next step of human-machine interaction is voice. Imagine a room filled with the top experts in every field who know you on a deep personal level. They're all sitting around a phone available to you 24/7. We call them AI people. Imagine a future where you don't have to actively use your tech to do things anymore. You have an entire team of people working for you at all times. Smartphones and apps are obsolete. Spending a third of your life in front of screens is obsolete. We are building the most logical platform to accelerate this transition.
Join the movement. Rediscover human nature. Embrace technology that empowers you to connect with the world, not just your screen. Be among the first to rediscover human nature. Step into a world that puts connection before distraction. Learn more at https www.naturaumana.ai HumanPods.